We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
We are off. Multicolored robots here, green, yellow, pink, and sort of black. I guess a Darth Vader is like a good scheme for a robot. Wild squirrels emptying their red classifier, scoring consistently. Sonic Eagles, nice lobs from the far end and the loading zone. They land 2 of their artifacts. 11982 here, radioactive, I believe, coming in, clearing the blue classifier, getting on the board very effectively. Nice single track robot, just scoops it up, accelerates it, shoots it.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Red with the lead in Auton, comes in, 22-4-1-1, bumps out an artifact. The Wild Squirrels pick up 2 green instead. They must have seen something in the classifier. Radioactive, getting the game announcer on the hip. I should hide a little bit better and maybe be less fluorescent, so I'm not mistaken for a goal. Girl Power, 22-1918, on the move, scores, goes back, picks up 1, 2 more artifacts, comes back in, aims for the blue, lines up nicely, accelerates their artifact, and a good high lob, landing 2 purple artifact. Do they have a third in there? Maybe not. I didn't think so. Okay, radioactive here, the big green robot. Just clearing 2 purple over the lip, going off on the hunt to get some more Sonic Eagles in the blue loading zone, picking up a couple of artifacts, bringing them back to the red loading zone, loading up more artifacts, and shooting from that far point they have been so accurate from. Nicely done to land 2. No, the third one is short. Wait, that actually went down to the classifier ramp. That was interesting. We will let the refs decide if it didn't go into the goal but landed on the classifying ramp. Does that count as a score or not? Wild Squirrels steadily driving up the score. They are a very efficient team coming in, repeating their pattern of like loading 2 to 3 artifacts and scoring well. There's a reason they're ranked number 5, and their efficiency, as well as their wild mascot over there waving the flag in the stands, helps. 22-4-1-1. 2 more scores. That's nice. The red classifier not quite full, but it's got 2 in it. And the Sonic Eagles landing 1, 2, 3 more, filling up that classifier. Endgame, last 20 seconds. What will the teams do? Girl Power shoots, misses a little to their right. Red classifier looking full. Blue classifier also looking full. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0.
Scores going up on the board for match 47. The Red Alliance pyramid is the one that is built by a score of 2, 20-81. This will mean a mixed bag with only 3 ranking points for your Red Alliance. That's going to move 22-4-11 down into number 7, but still there are